Talking flashcards in the laundry room. Are you ready? Here we go. Iron. Iron. Washing machine. Washing machine. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. Laundry soap. Laundry soap. Broom. Broom. Dustpan. Dustpan. Ironing board. Ironing board. Dryer. Dryer. Garbage can. Garbage can. Jeans. Jeans. You can find these flashcards and many, many more at www.mapleleaflearning.com. Please come by and check out the site, okay? I'm sure you'll find lots of wonderful things to use in your classroom. Anyways, until next time, happy teaching. Goodbye. Where's the stapler?
Where is it? Where is it?
On the desk. On the desk. Where's the broom?
Where is it? Where is it?
In the box. In the box. Where's the crayon?
Where is it? Where is it?
Under the chair. Under the chair. On. In. And under. Yeah. Where's the pencil?
Where is it? Where is it?
On the book. On the book. Where's the glue?
Where is it? Where is it?
In the basket. In the basket. Where's the sharpener?
Where is it? Where is it?
Under the desk. Under the desk. On. In. And under. Great. Where's the paintbrush?
Where is it? Where is it?
On the chair. On the chair. Where's the ruler?
Where is it? Where is it?
In the bag. In the bag. Where's the pen?
Where is it? Where is it?
Under the book. Under the book. On. In. And under. See you next time.
In, under, by. Where is the spider? On, in, under, by. On, in, under, by. In front of, behind, between. 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 Where's the dog?
In front of the house.
Where's the duck?